I went on a little run on the treadmill. Today was not pretty. However, I'm watching A Million Little Things and I'm on episode 3. This show is so good. I also like This Is Us, but this is a very different show. Like, I feel like a lot of people, at least, okay, I thought A Million Little Things looks like it's just trying to be This Is Us. It's a very different show. Very different, but it's really good. And everyone in it is really good. So, highly recommend. It's on Hulu right now. The first season is, so that's what I'm working through. So I'm just finishing up breakfast, and I got this little grunty girl. Hi. I like your shirt. One of you guys sent it. It says Akio Mommy. Harry Potter reference if you didn't get it. I know. You want to go play. This little girl just tried avocado for the first time. She said, I loved it. She got a little on her Harry Potter shirt. Who's that baby? You got dried boogies I need to get off your face.
So, Simba and I are getting ready to go bye-bye. Simba, do you want to go to Noki's house? You want to go to Noki's house? Get your leash. Get your leash. Huh? You want to go bye-bye? Huh? Get your leash. We're going bye-bye. Oh, get it. Bring your leash. Bring your leash, buddy. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Huh? Okay, buddy. We'll go.
Well, I'm about to sit down and actually like film a couple of videos. And I just did my hair, like with the hair that I washed yesterday. This very same hair. What am I saying? You guys know what I mean. And I used, it's really expensive, but I freaking like it. And I wish I didn't, but I've already bought a backup of it. It's the Bumble and Bumble thickening dry spun finish. This stuff just like gives like this like volume to your hair even when it's like a little dirty. I mean, listen, my hair's barely dirty. I literally washed it like midday yesterday. But I just felt like it was kind of limp and I feel like it adds some volume. Of course, I also curled my hair with the curling one. This is the T3, I don't know exactly. I will link it below because I don't know exactly what it's called. But I bought it on Look, it was like half off. So just saying, maybe don't buy it full price. Maybe wait. Anyway, this is amazing. I'm literally like, there's like nothing left in it, but I'm going to go film and I'm going to like do my makeup as I film. I am going to do an Ulta try-on haul, even though I've really already used everything in the haul, but I'm like, well, that gives me even more to say about it because I've already tried it, but I'm going to try it some more with you guys. So I figured that would be fun. And then filming a couple of other videos and yeah. And if you hadn't figured it out, Gigi is with my dad. That's why he was vlogging earlier. And I said, Dad, I love that you're vlogging, but you've got to turn your camera sideways. And he said, I will do what you say when you start paying me for vlogging. And I was like, touche. He's sassy. Okay, so I am set up to film. I've got my water. I've got my coffee. I've got stuff all around me for an Amazon gift guide. I've got my Ulta stuff here to do. And then my like brushes so I can actually like get ready with it. And there we are. Hi there.
Go to sleep.
He said he's trying. It's about her nap time. She just wants to play and laugh. Woo! Woo! Uh-huh. Oh, she's got Papa loving on her while I'm filming upstairs. Simba wants to play. Go get Simba. He's crazy.
All right, I am off to get a haircut, which I'm very excited about because I am looking pretty scraggly. I usually grow my hair out a little bit during the winter, which is kind of why I'm doing now, because it's just cold and, I don't want real close sides or anything like that. So I grow my hair out, but it always looks awkward in between these kind of stages. And so I'm going to get it all trimmed up and hopefully it'll look a little better. I feel like I always look like, when it's all poofy and stuff, I look like Florence Henderson, which just makes me laugh. Especially if I don't put any product in it at all. It's just huge, poofy. It's pretty funny. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to head home. So pretty exciting stuff going on here today.
So I finished doing my Ulta haul, like get ready with me, and then I, what else did I do? Oh, my Amazon recommendations video. I was really excited about that one. And then right now I'm going to do an anti-haul. I was preparing for it the other day and kind of going through what's new at Sephora. And I was like, oh, I'm not buying these. Let's do an anti-haul. What's funny though is I feel like inevitably I do an anti-haul and like there's one or two things that I mentioned like I'm not interested in that, and then like I'll get like a PR package with that in it. Like a week later I'm like, huh. And sometimes I'm wrong and I'm like, oh, actually this is good. And other times I'm like, no, I really don't want this, and I'll just pass it on to like a sister or donate, you know, whatever. But it's just always interesting. Something odd always happens when I do an anti-haul. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And Tyler's out getting his hair cut. I just brewed another cup of coffee. Coffee cup number 3. It's a crazy day. Watching a little Tati, getting some thumbnail pics.
Jessica and I finally filmed our Disney haul from our last Disney trip, and we bought 2 ornaments, and so we finally got to put them on the tree. I'm so excited. Look, Buzz Lightyear, because I was obsessed with Buzz Lightyear growing up. I actually was Buzz Lightyear growing up. I apologize. I had the pajamas, the blow up wings, the whole shebang. Also, Toy Story Land just opened, so double appropriate. And then we also got one with Minnie on it, and it says "Baby's First Christmas," and you can't see it from here, but it says Genevieve on the back. They wrote on it. Oh, so cute. But I'm so happy. Boom. Now they're finally officially a part of the tree. I just saw somebody post the other day. I feel like 90% of being an adult is doing dishes. And I gotta say, I get it. We run our dishwasher. There's only 2 people that live here. Well, 3, if you include Gigi's bottles. We go through groceries. What am I even talking about? I'm losing my mind. We go through dishes like crazy. I just unloaded the dishwasher, and we've already got all this to load back in. The mind reels. I don't even understand it. Life, man.
Gigi is napping. Therefore, I am about to take a midday nap. I am so tired. I am just so tired. So she's napping in the room next door. I'm napping. Tyler's downstairs for a bit. I was like, are you sure you don't want to take a nap? He's like, no, because if I do, I'll want to sleep all night. I'm like, yeah, I know, me too. But anyway, Pinocchio's with me. He's just down there. So we're going to do that. And then when I get up, I am going to put away laundry. We have like piles of laundry at the foot of this bed that needs to be put away. It's very embarrassing. No, it's not. I know you guys all do laundry and we're all crazy. I get the driest eyes. Like my eye doctor gave me like the most moisturizing contacts that are freaking on the market, and yet my eyes still get so dry. I just wanted to share one of my favorite like re-wetting drops is this Blink and Clean lens drops. It helps, like sometimes I get like makeup film on it, and then other times just because my eyes are dry. I haven't drank enough water today, I don't think. I had 3 cups of coffee, so you do the math. What math? I don't know. Anyway, I really like this stuff. It's like dirty because it was in my purse for a long time, but it's really good. Like I just put it in my eyes and my eyes feel so much better already. So there you go. So I wanted to show, I bought these the other day when I was grocery shopping, but I'm making Tyler a cup of this and I'm making a cup of the peppermint mocha. It smells amazing. It's not like the peppermint mocha coffee you'd buy there because they've got like creamer and stuff in it. However, I'm just not remembering, maybe I'll make it like legit. I do have like if I can get it, a peppermint mocha kind of flavored coffee. What is it? Dark chocolate peppermint. Anyway, so maybe I'll do that and like make it really, really nice. Guys, this is my 4th cup of coffee. Don't worry, I'm refilling my water bottle for the 4th time. I'm trying to hydrate, but I just feel so tired today. Tyler, what did you just say?
So you've only had 4 cups?
How many have you had?
The slowest I've like way more than 4.
You said 15.
I have, because, okay. So,
I don't think that's true. I think you'd be dead if it were 15.
Well, so here's my normal, like, day-to-day MO, and you people are gonna, well, coffee people will be like, yeah, that's very normal, and other people will be like, you're gonna die.
Listen,
so normally,
yeah.
I come down, and first thing I have, like, a K-cup, because I'm like, that brews real fast, and I need coffee as soon as I wake up. Mm-hmm. And then we usually brew this, or depending on the day, I'll make a French press and I'll drink the entire French press. Just depends.
This is a cool, by the way, French press. Yeah, I can link below.
Okay, so yeah, our old one was glass, and it was just a classic bottom or bottom, whatever. But it broke.
Bottom, B-O-T-T-O-N.
It broke, and so I got this one on Amazon, and it wasn't all that expensive, but it's vacuum sealed. So because the problem with the other one is it was glass, and it would get cold super fast. But this stays hot for hours, so I can take it up to my office, and even in a couple hours, still have hot coffee. It's pretty
so
awesome.
you usually tear that entire French press apart.
Yeah.
Here we are. I'm going to go put laundry away. Thank you, Tyler. You are doing dishes. And then are you making dinner or am I?
I can make dinner.
I thought it was my turn.
I don't know.
This is what...
Do you want to make dinner? I'm not going to say no. I'll go fold laundry if you want to make dinner.
No, I would rather fold laundry. Would you rather make dinner?
Yes.
Either way, we get to both watch TV, which is...
Yeah. Oh, okay. So, real quick, on that note, what do I do with my phone? Okay, I posted on Instagram and Twitter a little bit ago that we wanted to do a movie night tonight, and what should we watch? So, overwhelmingly, so there's probably like 100 answers between the two, and overwhelmingly, probably like 40 of the answers were the Christmas Chronicles from Netflix, the new Kurt Russell movie. That was definitely the number one. Followed somewhat closely by Dumpling, which is, I think, another new movie with
Jennifer Aniston, and it's
Dolly
about like, beauty
Parton
pageants.
and and then all these other ones, people were asking like, oh, make sure you share your answers. So okay, so those two were definitely the first two. Then all of these other ones got at least 2 mentions. If there's only 1 mention of a movie, I didn't include it on this list. But The Princess Switch.
I'm dying to watch that. Vanessa Hudgens, please. I love it.
White Christmas, It's a Wonderful Life. Those two got a couple different mentions because classic Christmas movies. Office Christmas Party, which we've actually already seen. It was hilarious.
Yes.
A couple people mentioned To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
I've seen about half of that.
And Jessica said, yeah. The Guernsey something, whatever, and Potato Peel Society. That one was a big one. That one got like maybe 3 or 4 mentions.
That's on my want to read list on Goodreads.
Yeah. I say, yeah, and I want to read the book and see the movie because it looked really good. Greatest Showman. 8th Grade, only 1 person mentioned that, but it's directed by one of my favorite comedians, Bo Burnham. So I'm interested to see that.
You may know him from his start on YouTube.
That's right. And then 2 people mentioned The Man in High Castle, and they were like, it's not a movie, but it's so good, I want you to watch it. So
that one I'm totally game for, not watching tonight, but like starting that show.
So, yeah. I've heard
it's a period piece, right?
And as far as I understand it, it's the premise is, the premise is, what would the world be like if the Nazis had won World War II? Yes. As far as I understand, that's the premise. And that sounds super interesting.
And super scary also, though.
So we're going to watch Christmas Chronicles tonight with Kurt Russell.
Pinocchio. I had to dig him out of the bed. Pinocchio, you gotta get up, buddy. It's almost dinner time. Are you so sleepy? He gets always so exhausted after Simba comes over because I don't think he can relax, you know. He's too excited. Oh, Pinocchio. All right, I want you to sleep a little longer. Yum, Tyler. I asked him to make a ton more so we could do like have a ton of leftovers for like lunches later this week. You came through, man.
Well, so I have a recipe card for when I made this last time. Oh, I need to listen. But it's kind of like guidelines. It's not like an actual recipe necessarily. So like I used, instead of just using rice, we had like this grains rice kind of thing.
Mixture, yeah.
So I use that. And then I put some spices on the black beans, like garlic and other spices, and there's onions and all that kind of stuff in it, and then used spinach instead of arugula. And then we had soft tofu, and I just mixed that in.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. You might need to stir that.
Well, I'm going to stir it in because I'm putting the whole thing in.
Oh, yeah, okay, gotcha. Oh, and you made the broccoli that was going to go bad. Perfect, thank you. That looks good too. Gigi's still napping.
I know, she was so tired.
She was so tired.
By the way, this is what I used instead of just like regular white rice. Regular white rice. Oh, pretty. It has like ancient grains and it's got like quinoa and rice and barley and all kinds of stuff. So I used that, and then I added some garlic and some onion, some fresh parsley and all that. And then this is it, all done. So it's got the mixture, and it's got, then I added the black beans, and like I said, I added like some garlic and some like masala spice to the beans. And then it's got the topped with some avocado and some parsley, some fresh parsley.
You bougie.
You bougie.
You bougie.
You're the bougie one.
She said, Mommy let me put saline nose drops in my nose and I didn't even cry this time.
Oh, wow.
Brave
so
girl.
Brave. You are so brave.
You are being so brave. Who's that? Who's that chubby cheeked little cherub?
You guys, nonstick cookware is the way to go with this. This is Analon is the brand name, but this is what I made the rice in, and it was kind of like stuck around the edges and stuff. Literally, all I did was take this and go like that, That was all, and it literally all rinsed to the bottom, and I rinsed it out. That is amazing. Non-stick cookware is the bomb.
Yes, it is.
What lovely long locks you have, Gigi. Beautiful.
All right, so Daddy's putting Gigi to sleep, and I'm gonna go edit this. So we're gonna cut it off here. We've never ended it in her nursery.
Yeah.
You can't see how messy it is behind and under me.
Yeah.
Yikes!
Pretend it's all perfect.
It's all so perfect. Huh?
We're all perfect.
Everything's fine here. Anyway, so this little one is up way past her bedtime. Her nap schedule was a little off today, so here we are. But that's okay. Anyway, so we will see you guys tomorrow on Tyler's channel.
Yes, and
Tyler's
also,
channel.
hey,
Oh, yeah.
we were talking about, because this Vlogmas has done pretty well, and people seem to be enjoying it. I think we're going to try and keep vlogging, like maybe 2 vlogs a week. Oh, Gigi.
This is going well.
Like 2 vlogs a week on my channel.
Like throughout the year.
Throughout the year.
Because a lot of people were saying, like, I don't know what I'm going to do when Vlogmas is over. Like,
Because
it's
it's
been
too
so...
much to do it every day. That's so much.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But doing maybe once or twice a week.
I think we could do
continually.
twice a week. Like,
Yeah. Maybe sometimes 3 times a week.
maybe if you
Maybe
get lucky.
sometimes no weeks. I don't know.
I think it'd be fun. So
Yeah,
let us know
so
if you would like to do, like us
following,
to
yeah.
do that. Yeah, if you
But
would
it'll
keep
be on
following
my
along or
channel
not.
if we do it, just because that's
yeah.
where most of the vlogs are.
Definitely on your channel.
So-
Pinocchio, no. No stealing from the mess. Dang it.
He stole the sock.
We gotta go. We gotta go. Love you guys. Bye.